Hello everyone. Hello. Waiting for the viewers to join so that I can start my today's session. Hello everyone. Welcome back again to Amul live session with Chef Sarthak Kochar, and thank you so much Amul for giving me this opportunity to come live fourth time on Amul and preparing nice delicious recipes. Hi Rakhi, hi Sushmita, hi Antorika, hi Farooq, hi Abhishek, hello, hi Mom Dad. Thank you so much for joining. Guys, today it's a very special day as I will be preparing something very nice and delicious stuff from Middle East, that is falafel, and I'll be preparing tahini sauce, and I'll be preparing fatushe. Hi Abhishek, hi Rohit, hi Bharti, hi Dipali, hi Asha. So guys, I'm just waiting for a few more followers to join and then we can start our live session. And hi Kanchan, hi Pooja, hello everyone, hello. सो आज हम क्या बनाने जा रहे हैं? आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं फलाफल, प्योर वेजिटेरियन. हम बनाने जा रहे हैं तहीनी सॉस. हाई ट्राइड योर जमैकन, जस्ट लव्ड इट. थैंक यू सो मच शांति. हाई अनुपमा, हाई देवांशी. सो गाइस, I will show you the ingredients. Greetings from Ohio Chef. Thank you so much Angela. Hi Harish. So आज हम क्या बनाने जा रहे हैं? आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं 3 चीज़ें. पहली चीज़ का नाम है फलाफल, जो प्योर वेजिटेरियन है, चिकपी से बनता है, पार्सले यूज़ करते हैं, बहुत सारे स्पाइसेस यूज़ करते हैं. सेकेंड रेसिपी का नाम है तहीनी सॉस, जो उसका कम्प्लीमेंट है. और थर्ड डिश का नाम है हमारी सैलड, फातू सैलड. तो आज हम 3 चीज़ें बनाएंगे आधे घंटे के अंदर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर सेशन गाइस बिफोर इट गेट लेट. थैंक यू सो मच ईशा, हाय ममता, हाय अबुआ मधुबुआ, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. हाय ऋतुराज, हाय बिजलाल. सो गाइस, आई जस्ट थैंक अगेन टू अमूल. हाय फारूक. आई जस्ट थैंक अगेन टू अमूल as well as my hotel Hilton Garden in Ras Al Khaimah for giving me this opportunity to come live again on Amul fourth time. And thank you so much for hi Aris, for providing this platform to all the chefs to come live and prepare something really interesting from around the world. Before it was only in India, but yes, I'm in Middle East and simply love all the dishes. Thank you so much Kanchana. So guys, what we'll do, we'll start and I will show you the ingredients, and I will be preparing 3 dishes, and I'll giving my phone to my colleague and she will be helping me out and at the entire session. And I want you to share my video on your Facebook page and share with your friends, as well as visit my YouTube channel, that is Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kochar. All the details are there in the link. Once you just my live video ended, you can have a look on all the details. So guys, hi Pavan, thank you so much for joining. So guys, I will just turn the camera towards my lovely setup. What we are doing today, you can see what we are preparing. It's all Middle East, so my setup is same like Middle East with the Arabian lamps and all this stuff. So hi Pavan, hi Ricky, thank you so much for joining. So guys, I'll just hand over my camera and let's start. Welcome back again to Amul live session with Chef Sarthak Kochar on Amul Facebook page. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to do live on Amul fourth time, and I hope I'll be coming again in by time. You can just visit my YouTube, you can visit my Instagram and Facebook for my live sessions on my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, let me show you what I'm going to prepare today. Today we'll be preparing falafel. तो falafel के लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए? हमने चिकपी सो करके रखा है, जिसको हमने 24 आवर्स 24 घंटे के लिए सो करके रखा है. उसका हम यूज़ करेंगे पार्सले, चॉप करके रखी हुई है अनियन, क्यूमिन पाउडर, सेजमे सीड, ब्लैक पेपर, कोरिएंडर पाउडर, गार्लिक एंड सॉल्ट. ठीक है, ये हमारी पहली रेसिपी है जो हम प्रिपेयर करेंगे. इसके लिए हमें चाहिए ब्लेंडर. अगर आपके पास, इसके लिए आपको हाई प्रोसेसर ब्लेंडर चाहिए, बिकॉज आपको इसको बहुत स्मूथ मिक्सर, ज़्यादा स्मूथ मिक्सर नहीं चाहिए, कोर्स मिक्सर चाहिए. बट अगर ब्लेंडर में ज़्यादा मतलब हाई प्रोसेसर नहीं होगा तो यू वोंट फाइंड द सेम क्वालिटी एंड सेम स्टफ फॉर द फलाफल. सो हम पहला फलाफल शुरू करने के लिए हम अपना ब्लेंडर लेंगे. विल ओपन द ब्लेंडर एंड नाउ आई विल शो यू द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. Here it is. What we'll be doing, we'll be adding chickpea. Okay, I'll just take some for the garnish. We'll be adding chopped parsley. and we'll be adding some onions. And now we'll be adding some spices in it. So the first one we are using is a cumin powder. पहले हम डालेंगे क्यूमिन पाउडर. क्यूमिन पाउडर बहुत असेंशियल है अरबिक कुजीन के अंदर. तो आप उसको, अगर आपको ज़्यादा फ्लेवर पसंद है तो आप रोस्टेड क्यूमिन करके भी डाल सकते हैं. हम डालेंगे कोरिएंडर पाउडर, जिसको बोलते हैं हम धनिया पाउडर. इसमें हम डालेंगे काली मिर्च कुटी हुई, ब्लैक क्रश पेपर. अगर आपको स्पाइसी पसंद नहीं है तो आप काली मिर्च नहीं डालें, इट्स ऑप्शनल. फिर इसमें डालेंगे हम सॉल्ट, विच इज़ वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड इन आवर रेसिपी. एंड फिर हम इसमें डालेंगे गार्लिक. गार्लिक के हमें डालने हैं 3-4 क्लोव्स. आप देख रहे हैं 3-4 क्लोव्स डाल सकते हैं. आपको गार्लिक ज़्यादा पसंद है, आप यू कैन इवन ऐड मोर. सो आप देख चुके हैं, हम सब इंग्रेडिएंट्स डाल चुके हैं. एंड देन हम इसमें डालेंगे तिल, सेसमे सीड्स.
Chef, there's a question from Shilpi Sen. She's asking, instead of parsley, we can use anything else?
You can't use coriander because the taste of falafel, it comes with parsley, as parsley is the main ingredient. So I don't recommend, but yeah, you can use coriander if you wish to, but I don't think so. You can use coriander. So we'll just start. You can see our mixture. You can see, I just top it off. You can see our mixture is getting ready. Till the time I'll show you the ingredient for the tahini sauce. Okay? Come. Yeah. Now we'll be preparing tahini sauce. Tahini sauce के लिए हमें चाहिए तहीना, जो बनती है हमारे तिल से. And then we need lemon juice, जो आपके घर पे आप नॉर्मली अवेलेबल रहता है. एंड यू नीड वाटर एंड सम पार्सले. तो हम पहले तहीना सॉस बनाएंगे. तहीना सॉस बनाने के लिए हम यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे एक बाउल. फिर उसमें देंगे तहीना, लेमन जूस, वाटर, उसको मिक्स करेंगे. सो व्हाट यू कैन सी नाउ, विल बी एडिंग अ बिट ऑफ तहीना. तहीना है तिल की पिसी हुई, आपको बाहर मार्केट में मिल जाएगी. ओके. एंड इसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ा लेमन जूस. थोड़ा सा लेमन जूस डालेंगे क्योंकि तहीना बहुत ज़्यादा थिक हो जाती है. तो वी नीड टू ऐड वाटर.
Chef, there's a question from Amita Kukreja. Chickpeas are boiled or soaked?
Chickpeas soaked 24 hours. We don't boil chickpea for falafel, as we'll be frying it.
And you can say hello, hi to...
Hello, yes, hello, hi everyone. I will be answering your questions while I'm frying falafel. So guys, just be patient, and once my recipe is done, don't worry, I always check my live and I reply for next 2 days, so don't worry about it.
Chef Ajay Ibrahim was asking, sir, tahina को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
तहीना बनती है सेसमे पेस्ट से. तो अगर आप मार्केट में जाएंगे, आप बोलेंगे तहीना चाहिए, तो दे विल गिव यू अ बॉटल. ये तिल है, तिल को ऑलिव ऑयल के साथ में ब्लेंड किया जाता है. दैट इज तहीना. थोड़ा सा इसमें हम पार्सले डालेंगे, जस्ट लिटिल, एंड देन वी मिक्स इट. तो अब हम आज क्या बना रहे हैं? आज हम बना रहे हैं फलाफल, और हम फिर हम बना रहे हैं तहीनी. तहीनी सॉस के लिए कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ तहीना, थोड़ा सा लेमन जूस, थोड़ा सा वाटर, क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी थिक हो जाती है, इसलिए ज़्यादा तहीना यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. यू कैन सी द कंसिस्टेंसीज ऑफ अ सॉस. ओके. सो हमारी ये सॉस तैयार हो चुकी है. आई विल कीप दिस वन ऑन द साइड. एंड नाउ वी विल जस्ट टर्न ऑन अ फ्रायर to fry falafel. Till the time I can answer some questions if you have any questions.
Shifali D. Urani is asking, how can we make tahina at home?
Tahina at home is of sesame seeds, roasted toasted sesame seeds and olive oil. You have to just blend it.
Sabyasachi Das is saying, good evening, chef.
Hi Sabbe, thank you so much for joining. Good evening.
Meena Sharma is saying hello.
Hi Meena, thank you so much for joining. So now आप देख सकते हैं हमारा मिक्सचर. ये मिक्सचर मैंने निकाला है ब्लेंडर से, जो हमने फलाफल का मिक्सचर बनाया है. आप देख सकते हैं इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी कैसी है. थोड़ा खुरदुरा होना चाहिए. आप देख सकते हैं ये थोड़ा खुरदुरा होना चाहिए मिक्सचर. यू कैन सी द मिक्सचर कंसिस्टेंसी, राइट? सो दिस इज अ मिक्सचर फॉर फलाफल. इसमें हमने क्या यूज़ किया? हमने यूज़ किया है सोक्ड चिकपी, नॉट बॉइल्ड चिकपी, सोक्ड चिकपी. 24 घंटे के लिए सोक करके रखना है. आप उसमें थोड़ा सा बेकिंग सोडा डाल सकते हैं ताकि चिकपी थोड़ा सॉफ्ट हो जाए और उसको ओवरनाइट छोड़ दें. फिर उसमें हमने डाला है पार्सले, क्यूमिन पाउडर, कोरिएंडर पाउडर, जीरा पाउडर और क्या बोलते हैं, धनिया पाउडर. और हमने उसके अंदर डाला है बाद में पार्सले, अनियन एंड सेसमी सीड. सेसमी सीड इट गिव्स वेरी नाइस कलर एंड अ बॉडी टू falafel. So we have any questions we can answer?
Yes, Rohit Chauhan is saying, wow.
Hi Rohit, thank you so much.
Varmit Kaur Malhotra is saying, hello, chef.
Hello.
CN Nitin Rastogi is saying, hello.
Hi Nitin, thank you so much for joining.
Shefali is saying, thank you, looks delicious.
Thank you so much Shefali.
Nitin Datta is asking, please share some useful kitchen tips.
Nitin, what do you like to ask? You can just throw your question and I will answer. Kitchen useful tips are how to preserve your vegetable. Like for example, nowadays I have one tip for curry leaves. In UAE we are not getting curry leaves. So what we are doing is you can take curry leaves, put into different packet and then seal it and put in the freezer, and then you can use it for the another 1 month frozen items. So this is one tip which we do here in UAE for curry leaves.
Rituraj, she's asking, can we use sesame oil instead of olive oil?
I didn't put any oil in falafel. So and in tahina, if you want to put sesame oil, yes, it will be, but it already has a sesame paste, and then you'll be adding sesame oil, so it will give a very hard flavor of sesame.
And Anupama is asking, can olive oil is in the sauce be substituted by mustard oil?
Yes, you can do that. But mustard oil is usually it's not being used in Middle East, so we don't use mustard oil. In Middle East, we always use olive oil as well as purely extra virgin olive oil for any kind of recipe.
Ajju Ibrahim is asking, sir, can you share your YouTube channel name again?
My YouTube channel name is Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kocha, and you can just visit, and I have already mentioned my YouTube link, Instagram link and Facebook link, and then you can have a look. I will be sharing the written recipe Nidhi for sure. Hi Shivani, thank you so much for joining. I know it's very tasty. Hello chef. Thank you Rani Chauhan. Hi Manisha Tripathi. Thank you so much for joining. So हमारा तेल ऑलरेडी गर्म हो रहा है. हम इसमें एक सैंपल डाल के देखेंगे कि हमारा फलाफल टूटे ना. तो बिकॉज ये कोर्स मिक्सचर है तो ये टूटना नहीं चाहिए. आप इसको किसी भी शेप में बना सकते हैं.
Chef, can you say today what you're making again, because people have joined late?
Hi, today I'm preparing falafel, tahini sauce and fatushe salad. It's all delicacies from Middle East.
Kanchana Ajay is asking, please post some recipes in your Insta.
Definitely, I'll do that. You can come to my Facebook. I do live session every day. I've already done more than 15 sessions since last 2 weeks. So you can visit my Facebook page, Facebook profile, and then you can have a look.
Sumedha Jindal is asking, can we use black chana for falafel?
I won't recommend, because in Middle East we usually don't experiment with the ingredients. These are the basic ingredients which we use for Middle East cuisine. And yes, if you don't have white chickpea, you can try out. You can see the mixture. And now let me try one sample and see how it looks like. मैंने बनाया है फलाफल का क्विनल. I think oil is bit heated up. I will be adding a test falafel, and then after that we'll try and wait for a minute to get the oil get a bit cooler, and then we'll start.
Naresh Kumar is asking, can we stuff in falafel?
Falafel is already very much wholesome and healthy, and I don't. Yeah, you can. If you want to put a bit of a cheese or something, you can do that. Usually we use Akavi cheese or any sort of cheese. You can use that.
There's one question from Shishmita Raw. Can I bake it in microwave?
No, you can do it in an air fryer. I guess so. You can try. I've never tried it. You can see our falafel. It looks nice, lovely color. It's a quenelle, and our oil is a bit heating up, but still, I think the temperature is almost okay. So we'll start frying our falafel now. I'll just get a butter paper and then we'll be putting it on our plate. You can see a nice lovely color of falafel. Manjeet Kaur, I will be sharing the recipe soon on after the session get finished. So just wait for a while and we'll do that.
Chef Bilkis Malam is asking, can you give a quick recap for the ingredients?
Yes, for the falafel, we have been using soaked chickpea for 24 hours, and then we have added chopped parsley, we have added onion, we have added garlic clove, we have added cumin powder, we have added coriander powder, and हमने उसमें डाला है थोड़ा सा sesame seed.
ना अज्जू इब्राहिम asking, sir, क्या फलाफल को टिक्की टाइप नहीं बनाते?
आप बना सकते हैं, ये मैं थोड़ा सा उसको फैंसी कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा उसको फैंसी कर रहा हूँ, इस वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है. और इस अगर मैं तो फैंसी नहीं करूँगा तो यू कैन इवन यूज टिक्की और एनी अदर साइज. आपको टिक्की शेप में भी बना के दिखा देता हूँ अभी फलाफल. It's a little complicated. I'm making a quenelle, but yes, if you want, you can prepare in tikki as well. You can make it round, you can make it balls. आप इसको हाथ के fingerprint से भी बना सकते हैं, वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ अभी.
Bihun is asking the same question. Instead of parsley, can we add coriander or palak?
I won't recommend because parsley का अपना अलग ही taste है, so I won't recommend to use any other thing.
There's one question. Aris Day is asking, if you use your hand to shape up falafel mixture, it will bind properly. Is it not, chef?
Yes, it is. But you can see my falafel. I can show you a sample. It's binded very well. I've used spoons. So it totally depends upon individual which shape you want to prepare. Usually we get in a nice round shape, a coin shape. But I'm preparing quenelle, and it's up to you which shape you want to prepare. I'll show you. If the guys are asking for hand shape, I'll do that.
Chef, there's one more question from Ritu Raj Podar. Instead of frying, we can dehydrate as well for more healthy way.
No, I see some dishes, they have their own charm. So I won't recommend to change the entire process of falafel. But it is really healthy. If you are using a nice sunflower or a canola oil trans-free, so I think it's really healthy. Sometimes you eat oil, it doesn't matter.
Kamini Sutaria, she's asking, can you show me the consistency of the batter?
It's for the mixture. The mixture, you can see the consistency a bit coarse. You can see that, right? Yes, you can prepare tahina at home, but it won't taste as good as you'll get it from outside. So you can see nice color of our falafel. I'll just remove it from the oil.
Manjeet Kaur is asking, have you put anything for binding?
No, nothing. I didn't put anything for binding for our falafel because it already have a chickpea, it already have parsley, so it's fine. So that's why you need to drain. आपको अपना जो चिकपी है उसको अच्छे से ड्रेन करना पड़ेगा ताकि उसमें थोड़ा सा भी पानी ना रहे.
Sunita Kocher is saying, looks yummy.
Thank you so much.
I think there's a repeat question. What is the binding ingredient here by Sabicha Sachidas?
There is no binding ingredient, and guys, I will answer all your questions. Don't worry, even the video ended, after the live session ended, I will be doing it, don't worry.
Chef, how do you feel coming 4th time on Amul?
Anybody ask?
I'm asking you.
Yeah, it feels very great that I've been getting such a positive response, and I'm happy that I'm not getting any negative comments for my cooking as well as for the way I cook. So बहुत अच्छा लगता है अमूल पे लाइव आना और सब लोगों के सामने अपनी रेसिपीज शेयर करना. It feels amazing. I really feel good. And उसके बावजूद कोई भी negative feedback नहीं है, तो I really feel good about that.
Chef, we have some responses coming up on that. Manisha Tripathi saying, thanks for a wonderful recipe.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone.
Shilpi Sen is saying, nice recipe.
Thank you so much.
Milli Gupta also, nice chef. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Naveen Kumar is saying, wow, looking yummy.
Thank you so much, Naveen.
There's a question from Kavita Juneja. Hello chef, which olive oil we should take for the recipe?
For tahina,
yes.
You're talking about?
Yes.
You have to use extra virgin olive oil. See, कोई भी आप सैलेड यूज करते हैं बनाते हैं तो आप उसके अंदर हमेशा एक्स्ट्रा वर्जिन डालते हैं बिकॉज दैट इज अ फर्स्ट प्रेस एंड दैट यू कैन नॉट यूज फॉर कुकिंग. तो आपको हमेशा एक्स्ट्रा वर्जिन ऑलिव ऑयल यूज करना है सैलेड के लिए. अगर आप जब कुकिंग में यूज कर रहे हैं तो कुकिंग में यूज करने के लिए आप कर सकते हैं पोमेस ऑयल और प्योर ऑलिव ऑयल. दैट इज ऑल्सो अ मिक्सचर ऑफ canola oil with olive oil.
Chef Vidisha is saying your all dishes are different and very nice.
Thank you so much, Vidhi. Thank you so much for coming live on my Facebook all the time and now joining me on Amul as well.
And she's even giving answers to some of your viewers.
Thank you so much, Vidhi. I really appreciate. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जो आप सब लोग आपके लाइव को पसंद करते हैं एंड देन यू गेट फीडबैक एंड देन दे कम ऑन माय फेसबुक लाइव एवरी डे. दे विजिट माय यूट्यूब चैनल, लाइक माय वीडियोस. आई एम रियली हैप्पी and it feels really great to come on Amul and with such a nice lovely audience.
Sangeeta Jain is saying delicious.
Thank you so much.
There's one more question asked by a few other people. Babita Gupta is asking, is it infrared or induction cooktop? At what temperature you are frying them?
See, every induction you cannot see. For me, it's like it's showing 4 right now, but you need to set oil. ऐसा ऑयल होना चाहिए कि जब आप उसमें फलाफल डालें तो बिल्कुल भी ठंडा तेल ना हो और बहुत ही गर्म ना हो, वरना आगे आप देखेंगे वरना ऐसा कलर नहीं आएगा फलाफल में. आप देख सकते हैं फलाफल में कितना ज़बरदस्त कितना प्यारा कलर आ रहा है. ऐसा कलर नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको ऑयल को ऐसा टेम्परेचर रखना पड़ेगा कि जब आप उसमें डालें तो वो फ्राई होना शुरू हो जाए पर इतना भी गर्म ना हो कि एकदम से काला हो जाए. So you know normal frying temperature is always 180 degree plus.
Sandhya is saying lovely recipe. Love the way you are using the spoon for shaping.
Thank you so much. I'm preparing quenelle for falafel.
And Vidisha is asking which oil you use for fry.
For frying, I use sunflower oil. You can use canola oil, sunflower oil, up to you. Whatever you have at home. As my recipes are not that complicated, so I don't want to complicate things. और मैं चाहता नहीं हूँ कि आप लोगों को वो सामान ना मिले जो घर पे ना हो, तो सिंपल होममेड रेसिपीज का फायदा है क्या.
Chef, there's a question from Usman Haider. Chef, we can use green chili as well?
या उस्मान, अगर आपको स्पाइसी चाहिए आप ग्रीन चिली डाल सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. आप साथ में मिक्सर में डालें, इट विल बी लवली.
Chef, maybe after you fry, you can give a quick recap. There's a request coming from many viewers.
Definitely. My falafel are almost ready, so I will tell you what I have been adding in our falafel. I'll show you. I have used soaked chickpea. I have used onion. I have used garlic. I have used sesame seeds. I have used salt. I have used black pepper, kali mirch. I have used cumin powder, that is jeera powder, and dhania powder, that is coriander powder. Thank you so much, Divya Makhwani. Thank you so much. Hi Sudha, can we make by shallow fry? No, you need to deep fry. My YouTube channel name Babita is Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kochhar, and you can have a look at my channel. My link is already there on the सब चेक आप देख सकते हैं फलाफल कितने ज़बरदस्त और कितने बढ़िया लग रहे हैं.
Chef Sarita Khurana is saying she's a nutritionist. Would like to recommend because very helpful recipe during Corona and super healthy too.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your lovely feedback. तो आप लोग बोले थे कि हाथ से बना सकते हैं. देखिए आप थोड़ा सा पानी लेंगे आप एंड देन इवन आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं हाथ से एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट रोल इट.
Nidhi Bhalika is asking, please tell your Insta ID as well.
My Insta ID is my name. I am Sarthak Kochhar. You can see my name is here, Sarthak Kochhar. You have to just put I am. So आप देख सकते हैं हम इसे टिक्की में भी बना सकते हैं. ये देखिए मैंने टिक्की की शेप बनाई है. So it's up to you. Even you can make it into टिक्की shape.
Rinku Singha is saying thanks for your tasty and beautiful recipe.
Thank you so much.
Manisha Tripathi, she's asking, sir, can we make it spicy by adding some more spices?
Yes, you can add green chili, you can add red chili powder, you can add any other kind of chili. It's all up to you. If you want to make it more spicy, you can add any sort of chili. Videographer lady is doing a great job. Ma'am, you are putting charge onto the presentation of the chef. Thank you so much, Ruchi, but she's leaving soon, so you won't be hearing her sound and her support again. She's flying back to India after 2 days, so she won't be here, and I know she's the one of the main part for my videos. Thank you so much for appreciating our work.
Chef Bihun Kote is asking, Chef, can we cook hot plate instead of frying?
No, it won't work.
Even somebody asked, can we do shallow frying?
Shallow fry, you can try making a small tikki. आप थोड़ी टिक्की बना के ट्राई कर सकते हैं, but मुझे नहीं लगता कि it will taste that crispy and that nice which it has to be.
Rosina Samir, she's saying, excellent quick recipe,
Thank
Chef.
you so much, Rosina.
Also, Khushbu Chabra is saying the same.
Thank you so
Looking
much,
yummy.
Khushbu. Thank you so much. I will be introducing my new cameraman soon, but that's not a female, that's a male.
Anup Sharma is saying, Chef Sarthak, sir, nice presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anup. So now you can see our falafel is ready. Nice, lovely color. ज़्यादा काले भी नहीं है ना ज़्यादा अच्छे गोल्डन ब्राउन कलर के होने चाहिए और इतने प्यारे लग रहे हैं. देखिए मैंने टिक्की की शेप में भी बनाया है आप सबको दिखाने के लिए. ये देखिए वो ऑलरेडी फ्राई हो रहा है. तो टिल द टाइम इज़ गेटिंग फ्राई हमारा ऑलमोस्ट फलाफल रेडी है. हमारी तहीनी सॉस रेडी है और मैं किचन थोड़ी क्लीन कर देता हूँ. हमारी तहीनी सॉस रेडी है, हमारे फलाफल रेडी हैं और हमारा नेक्स्ट पार्ट है सैलेड. सो आइए मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ हमारे सैलेड के इंग्रेडिएंट्स. हमारे सैलेड के इंग्रेडिएंट्स दिखाने में आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ मेरे पास क्या क्या सामान है. हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. Sir, I'm only 10 years old and I love cooking and love the recipe because your recipe is different. Thank you so much, Manisha. I really appreciate and glad that you are giving such a nice feedback. Hi, Aman Mehta. Thank you so much for joining. Can you please repeat the recipe? I will be repeating the recipe later. And long awaited recipe. Thank you so much, Divya. Chef, very, very nice recipes. Hi, thank you so much, Shiva Kumar. Sangeeta Agarwal. I'm making falafel. Love all your recipes. So guys, let's make it quick. Now we are preparing fattoush. Fattoush is a salad with very nice vegetables. Come have a look. We are using onions, we are using roca leaves, we are using Roman lettuce, we are using za'atar, we are using cucumber, sumac powder, mint leaves, radish, टमेटो, बेल पेपर एंड फ्राइड क्रूटॉन्स. जो हम ये सब यूज़ कर रहे हैं ये सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स बहुत इजीली अवेलेबल है. प्याज सबके घर पे रहता है, जीरा कुकुम्बर सबके घर पे रहता है, टमाटर सबके घर पे रहता है, पेपर सबके घर पे रहता है. ज़्यादातर यू वोंट गेट इट सो यू कैन इवन अवॉइड. लेट्यूस सबके पास रहती है, रोका लीव्स है, रेडिश है और ये फ्राइड क्रूटॉन्स. आप किसी भी ब्रेड को फ्राई कर सकते हैं. So now we'll mix.
Chef Bilkis Malam, she's saying clear voice and nice explanation for recipe. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, guys. Please share my recipe on your Facebook. I want your love same way you are doing right now, so that I can come again 5th time on a mole with my lovely nice recipes. So now we'll take a bowl and we will be mixing our stuff. So what we'll be adding first, we'll add lettuce. We'll be adding onion, we'll be adding roca leaves, we'll be adding cucumber, za'atar leaves, some bell pepper.
Chef, all these leaves are easily available?
Za'atar is not that easily available, so you can avoid. You can even get a dry za'atar, you can put that one.
And Babita Gupta is asking what's the name of that leafy vegetable?
Leafy vegetable is za'atar. And now I'm putting mint. Mint तो आपके पास अवेलेबल रहता है इंडियंस किचन में, तो मिंट तो सब यूज़ करते ही हैं.
Also, what is that powder, Vidisha?
It's sumac powder. Sumac powder is made up of berries and a flower called sumac. And if you don't have sumac powder, you can use lemon zest. Now we'll add some salt, some sumac powder, and we'll be adding a bit of our pomegranate molasses. You can see that it looks very nice and lovely. Oh wow, my falafel is ready. I can show you a nice golden brown falafel. ये देखिए टिक्की शेप में भी बना दी है मैंने. Yes, it is Lebanese. Can you give details of the sumac powder? Yes, Anupama, sumac powder is made up of berries and mixed dry berries, as well as the sumac is a leaf. You can see now our falafel is ready for the plating. And is that a salad? Yes, Suman, it's a salad. हमने इसमें डाला है टमाटर, खीरा, प्याज, बेल पेपर, ज़ातर लीव्स, मिंट लीव्स, रेडिश, सुमक पाउडर, सॉल्ट, थोड़ा सा pomegranate molasses, roca leaves, jiri miri called in Middle East. Yes. and replacement of that molasses syrup and sauce. Babita, replacement for that molasses and is you can do, it's made up of pomegranate. Pomegranate क्या है हमारा? अनार से बनता है. तो अगर वो बाहर नहीं मिलता तो आप एक अनार लें, उसको थोड़ा सा ऑयल डालें, उसमें अनार डालें, हल्का सा सौते करें, थोड़ा सा शुगर डालें और थोड़ा सा उसमें वो डालें, लेमन जूस डालें और उसको कुक करें एंड देन यू ब्लेंड इट. वंस यू ब्लेंड इट एंड देन यू मेक इट अ फाइन प्योरे. सो यू कैन यूज दैट वन एज वेल. That's a very nice and easy recipe.
Chef Sangeeta Agarwal is asking where to get sumac powder.
Sumac powder you can get it at any nice supermarket. अब हम इसमें डाल रहे हैं थोड़ा ऑलिव ऑयल. ये एक्स्ट्रा वर्जिन ऑलिव ऑयल है जो हम इसमें यूज़ कर रहे हैं. एंड नाउ विल बी मिक्सिंग इट.
And Suman Agarwal is asking, can I make sumac powder at home?
Sumac powder you cannot make at home as you don't get sumac leaves. So it's not. But yes, अगर आपके पास sumac powder नहीं है तो आप लेमन जेस्ट यूज़ कर सकते हैं. लेमन लें और ऊपर जो स्किन होती है उसको ग्रेट करें, वो यूज़ करें. So you can see our salad. इसको मिक्स कर दिया. बहुत लवली, बहुत ही हेल्दी एंड बहुत ही नाइस सैलड है जो अरब में आपको मिलेगी. आप जब भी यूएई या दुबई या कहीं रसा कहीं में आते हैं, सो यू विल फाइंड दिस रेसिपी ऑन एनी बुफे ऑफ अ होटल.
Chef Joginder Pal Kochar is asking, is saying presentation is very clear and remarkable, chef.
Thank you so much. Now we'll be plating our falafel. Our tahina is here.
Manisha Tripathi is asking, sir, if we don't get some vegetables, it will work or not?
Yes, it will work for sure. There is no hard and fast rule. So now we'll be plating it. Sarthak, little advice, please. Use de-seeded tomatoes. Yes, you can use de-seeded tomatoes, up to you. And because seeds are not good for your, I know it's for the stone and everything, so it's fine. You can use tomato without seed. So अब हम क्या करेंगे? Now you can see our plating.
Chef Devanshi Jain is asking, can we bake or air fry falafel?
Air fry, yes, you can try.
Asha Ranjan is saying exotic.
Thank you so much. So now what we'll be doing we'll be plating our recipe. You can show them the falafel. So now I can show you the falafel. You can see and have a look at my plate.
Chef Babita Gupta is saying salad is looking very tempting.
Thank you so much.
With your beautiful crockery, it's unlike white crockery.
Thank you so much. So now we'll be taking a plate and now I'll show you how to plate our falafel. हम इसमें लगाएंगे लेट्यूस. थोड़ा कैमरा पास ले आए. हम इसमें लगाएंगे लेट्यूस.
Also, Kuhu Patak is saying one of the best chefs in Amul life till date.
Thank you so much. Please leave your feedback to Amul and tell them.
Also, he's saying demonstration, the way of revert back all the queries so patiently, putting all together. You set a bar for other chefs, all the really homemade recipes.
Thank you so much. Do visit my YouTube channel. You can even add me on Facebook, and I really appreciate your comment. So now अब इसमें हम फलाफल को प्लेट करेंगे.
Prabhat Bhandari is asking, chef, how to make falafel more moist.
Prabhat, I will answer your question once I'm done with the recipe, as we are running out of time. So you can see our falafel is ready.
Chef, there's one comment from Kamini Sutaria. I was there in Hilton Russell Khaimah in the end of February.
Hi, thank you so much. Glad to hear that, and I will wish to welcome you again. So our falafel is ready, and now we'll be putting our tahini here. That is the sauce which we made. It's a complete plate for Middle East. We'll be adding a second plate that is for Fatoush.
Chef Kavita Juneja is saying one of my favorite dish. Thank you, chef, for showing us the correct way of cooking.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you so much, guys, for coming live and joining my recipe, and you guys are enjoying it, so it's lovely.
And if you can repeat the YouTube channel name, they're
My
asking
YouTube
again.
channel is Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kochar. I will just put the link now in the comment section. So आप देख सकते हैं हमारी salad तैयार है. We'll be adding some of a radish. You can see our plate is almost very
Chef, Bhumika Patel is asking, can we serve with pita bread as a sandwich?
You have taken my mind as, sorry, who's there? Bhumika. Bhumika Patel, I have a pita bread in my hand and I was about to show you this pita bread and how to make a falafel sandwich as well. So first I'll just finish up with the plate and then I'll show you. So you can see our nice, lovely recipe is ready. Delicious, something really different. You can see our falafel, you can see our fattoush salad, and now our salad is ready. We'll be adding some fried croutons. That is a pita bread which we have fried and put it on the salad. You can see it's ready, and bit of a pomegranate molasses. Now my plate is ready to serve a nice, delicious, amazing recipe by Chef Sarthak Kochhar on Amul Live. Again, I'm back again with fourth time on Amul with something nice. A nice platter, falafel, tahini sauce and a fattoush salad. Very healthy, a bit of oil, but I hope this recipe will make your day. And it's raining in Mumbai, raining in Delhi, so you guys can enjoy the same recipe instead of having pakoda. तो आप ये लोग ट्राई कर सकते हैं. रेसिपी देखिए, बहुत सुंदर लग रही है. एंड एज आई सेड, यू कैन सी द ब्रेड. दिस इज पीटा ब्रेड. इसको हमें ऐसे खोलना है, कुछ भी नहीं करना आपको. इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा आप इसको क्या करेंगे, इसको यहाँ खोलेंगे ऐसे करके ब्रेड को. इसमें आप डालेंगे थोड़ी सी तहीना, फिर इसमें हम डालेंगे हमारी लेट्यूस, थोड़ा सा कुकुम्बर, थोड़ा सा टमेटो, and then we'll be adding our falafel. We'll just crush it. Even you can add some fattoush salad also, but I'm using the same ingredients, and we'll be rolling it. You can see how lovely it is. You can make it a roll at your home and you can try this nice lovely roll. We can serve it on the bread and then you can add some fattoush on the side. Just a wrap, some olive oil. Zata. So my second plate is also ready. That is falafel wrap, and the first place is our falafel. So you can have a look at both the recipes and see how it looks like.
Chef, everybody's complimenting on the plating.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for joining my live. Feels like to grab it and taste. Guys, please leave your comments and share on your Facebook page. I want people should see what we are doing, and you can see what exactly you can learn from me from Middle East. And hi, thank you so much. Yes, 2 in 1. I have prepared today almost like 3 recipes: a falafel, fattoush, tahini sauce, and a falafel wrap. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my recipe. I'll just take a camera and have a look at the comments and show you the recipe one more time and show you the plating. Wow, it looks lovely. You can see our today's session. I'm back again on camera. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for giving me that much of love and amazing feedback. I'm really happy that everybody liked my recipe, and I hope I'll be coming live again on Amul, maybe next time with the 5th time if I get the opportunity. And थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबडी. आई रियली अप्रिशिएट, और इतना अच्छा फीडबैक मिल रहा है मुझे. सो ऑफ कोर्स मैं दोबारा आऊँगा फेसबुक पे एंड वांट टू सी सम मोर रेसिपीज ऑन यूट्यूब एज वेल. श्योर कुहू पाठक, आई विल बी शेयरिंग ऑन यूट्यूब एज वेल. आई हैव अ लाइंड अप ऑफ रेसिपीज which I'll be sharing on YouTube in this week. So guys, you can see every platter today what I have done, and I'll see you again on my Facebook page, on my YouTube. Please be there and visit my YouTube channel, that is Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kochhar. I will just leave the post here Yes, here it is. I've already sent a comment. That is all my links. Everything is there on the Facebook. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I will reply to your each and every comment once this video has been done. And I hope to see you again on Amul with Chef Sarthak Kochhar at Hilton Garden in Ras Al Khaimah, United Arab Emirates, with something nice and amazing recipe. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Namaste.